Hey guys, my name is Tensor. Today we're just going to be doing a channel update video. The YouTube channel just passed 5,000 subscribers a few days ago, and it seems like we're still gathering quite a few subscribers by the day. So I wanted to say hello to the people who are new to the channel. Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the content. I also want to kind of inform you guys on the direction that this channel will be taking in the next few months and weeks. So there's still a lot of Flutter content that I want to cover. I have a bunch of projects that I still want to do. For instance, there's a Firebase Redux project that I've been kicking around in my head for a little while that I really want to do. I also want to do something quite a bit larger with the block pattern to kind of show you how that would work in a much bigger program with much more robust business logic. And I have a few other ideas like more interactive games than say like the Minesweeper project that we did. So these are all considerations and these are all things that I will be doing at some point. Now that being said, enough people have asked for a Dart language tutorial series. So I will be doing a Dart language tutorial series. This Dart language tutorial series will not be basic by any means. We will not be talking about things like for loops and if statements. Instead, we'll be talking about the things that set Dart apart from other programming languages. Some of the concepts that we'll cover in this Dart tutorial will be, for instance, asynchronous programming. This means futures, streams, and isolates. We'll also talk about compression, so how we can manipulate and compress data as well as expand data. We'll talk about database programming, so building databases with Dart as well as interfacing with other already built databases like SQL, and we'll also be talking about web development, so socket-based programming, building APIs, and things like this. While we're doing that, we will cover some of the more finer details, for instance, how classes and constructors work inside of Dart. I've seen quite a few questions about that. And the idea is just to give you guys an accelerated look at some of the more advanced features of Dart so that you can have a better understanding of it even if you're just going to be programming in Flutter. So after we finish Dart and Flutter, and I don't imagine this will happen anytime soon, but the next thing that I really want to cover will be WebAssembly with Rust. So we've done one project with WebAssembly in Rust. This was using the emscripten compiler. Since those Rust tutorials, the unknown compiler, or the main Wasm bindgen library, has really come into its own and has really become something that is very usable and is definitely worth exploring. So this is something that I really want to cover, and we'll probably be covering it by the end of this summer, so look forward to it. Anyway guys, I know that channel updates are not exactly the most interesting videos, but I hope you're excited for the content to come. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to just leave them in the comment box below. Just pollute it with whatever you want. Have a good night.